Hey beauties, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Today we'd like to show you how to sew shoulder pads in items with setted sleeves. We're going to sew this layered shoulder pad. We already gave you the review of shoulder pads. Besides, we'll need such sleeve head rolls. Watch our video really carefully. We'll sew shoulder pads to this item. We need to go to the sewing machine now. Pay attention to the width of the sleeve head rolls. It depends on the sleeve size. It should be sewn only to the sleeve head. Have a close look. This way. Okay, you will see everything in detail soon. Let's go to the sewing machine. Now we need to sew the sleeve head roll. Remember that it is sewn to the sleeve. To make it correctly, fold it in half and join to the shoulder seam. Use pins if needed. Be careful, join the edges. The sleeve head roll shouldn't stick out of the seam edge. Fix it with the pins and stitch it with a sewing machine. Stitch on the item, not on the sleeve. Make small back stitches at the beginning and the end of the seam. It is very important to stitch in the seam. It's a must actually. Don't worry if the roll sticks up. You can also cut extra pieces. Well done, the seams match. Have a look. The longer edges must be here. We are ready to sew the shoulder pad. Have a look. There is a seam in center pad. This seam should match in shoulder seam. If you don't have a seam in center pad, fold it in half and mark center pad. It will depend how even the sleeve head is. How to place the shoulder pad to the back and the front. In our case, it is distinct. The bigger side is to the back and this side to the front. Of course, not all shoulder pads are like this, but this one is very elegant. Now we join the seams. Pin the details together. Now be very attentive. Sew strictly to the seam. Do not pull the thread. Sew by hand. When you sew shoulder pads, leave the ends unsewn. They shouldn't pull the item. It is very important to choose correct shoulder pads. You can make our item both worse or better with shoulder pads. The image of your item depends on shoulder pads choice. Be very careful. Make a very neat seam. Make a small back stitch at the end. Have a look. The ends are not sewn. Now, check if the shoulder pad is sewn evenly. It shouldn't be pulled or deformed. The stitches are not visible. It is just carefully fixed. Now we need to fix the other side, but to make sure we do not pull the item. Let's make the loop. Make several stitches in one point. Nataly is doing it so quickly. Just watch her carefully. Make a loop about 1 cm long and sew it to the shoulder pad. We showed you the technique of sewing shoulder pads and sleeve head rolls for items with satin sleeves. Let me show you the face now. The sleeve is very elegant. The sleeve head is nice thanks to the roll. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!